Alright, I hooked up the winch. This is the lady's car. I've seen winches break before. Alright.
In neutral.
The car does start. She said when they parked here, there was just a little stream. And then from the rain, here you go. Stupid as fuck, just even driving a car down here. But the other car had 3 flat tires trying to get down here, which that's why they pitched a tent, I guess. The tent's back there behind the car. Well, it's backed up now, kind of, sort of, the cooler. Told her, I'm like, you guys can't be down here. It's continuing to rain, there's snow in the mountains, that's going to melt. It's going to be a lot more flooding. It's coming. You got that winch perfectly on there. They can't get in from this side, so I had to do it. Could this be drug induced? Here she comes.
Wake up! Yeah. Get ready, I need to free spool. Hold on.
Free the spool. He's still around. Where is he? Yeah, sheriffs are waiting for us to get them out to do their fucking shit. They're afraid to get their trucks dirty. And I had to hold the cop's hand to get across to get up in this area. He had to cross this shit. I had to hold his hand. I'm honored. Love helping people. Well, she's basically out. Now we're gonna hook up a tow and just tow her out the rest of the way.